Hi, is this seat taken?
No, not at all. Please, sit down.
Thanks. It's really crowded today, isn't it?
Yeah, everyone wants coffee on a Monday morning, I guess.
True. I can't start my day without coffee. What about you?
Same here. Coffee is like my fuel.
By the way, I'm Lisa.
Nice to meet you, Lisa. I'm Emma.
Nice to meet you, too. Emma, do you come here often?
Yes, a few times a week. They have the best cappuccino. Here.
Oh, I haven't tried that yet. Maybe I should.
What do you usually order?
Usually a latte, sometimes iced coffee if it's too hot.
Good choice. So, do you work around here?
Yes, I work at an office 2 blocks away. What about you?
I'm a student, actually, studying design at the university nearby.
That's cool. How's university life?
Busy but fun. Lots of assignments, though.
I can imagine. I remember my university days. Sleepless nights and too much coffee.
Exactly. That's my life now.
What do you like to do when you're not studying?
I like painting and watching movies. How about you?
I enjoy reading novels and traveling.
Traveling? That's amazing. What's the best place you visited?
Probably Thailand? The beaches are beautiful.
Really, that's on my bucket list.
You should definitely go. The food is also amazing.
I bet. I love spicy food.
Then Thailand is perfect for you.
Thanks for the tip.
So, do you have any plans for the weekend?
Not really. Maybe just studying. What about you?
I might meet some friends. We usually go hiking or just hang out.
Sounds fun. I should try hiking sometime.
You should. It's relaxing and good exercise.
Maybe you can recommend a good place to start.
Sure, there's a nice trail just outside the city.
Great. I'll check it out.
Anyway, I don't want to keep you from studying.
No worries. It was nice talking to you.
Same here. Maybe I'll see you here again sometime.
Definitely. Enjoy your latte, Lisa.
Thanks, Emma. Have a good day.
You too.